everybody, I'm LEGO Separator and welcome, what? Hello everybody, I'm LEGO Separator and I'm here to provide inspiration on what to build LEGO bricks. So today we're going to be continuing what we were doing with set number 30542, and if you remember, this was the 3-in-1 set. Last time we built the emu, today we're going to be building the koala, and I will show you how to make it, and I will be introducing the pieces as I go along, so feel free to pause it again in this video to see what's going on. So without further ado, let's get started. Start off with a 2x4 standard base plate in white, and at the back we're going to attach a side attachment plate like this one in light grey. We're going to snap it onto the back like so. Now we're going to get two of these 1x1 base plates in cream, these 1x1 base plates in cream, and we're going to get a 1x2 base plate in black. We're going to stick it in front of that. Now on the side we're going to need a 1x2 brick with a hole in it, with a Technic hole in it, and we're going to get a okay, never mind about that piece. We're gonna get a Technic connector, a black Technic connector, and one of them just fell down on the floor when I was trying to get it. But never mind, I will retrieve it later. So we're gonna get a 1x1 brick with a Technic hole in it, and another one of those black connectors. We're gonna get that, and we're gonna snap it onto the other side over here. We're gonna get a 1x1 standard brick, and we're gonna stick it over here. And now, what's the next page gonna show us? By the way, I am reading the instructions off the computer, because you do need to download these ones. A 1x2 jump plate is gonna go over here, and a 1x2 brick like this one on top of that over here. Now we need two more of those 1x2 standard bricks in cream. We're going to put them on the front, and yet another 1x2 brick on top like so. Now what do we need? Okay, so we need two of these single cheese slopes in cream as well. We're going to attach them onto the sides like so, and we're going to get these long slope pieces in cream. We're going to attach them on the, I believe this is the back of the koala, I believe. Something like that. Okay, so we're now going to stand it up like this. Oh yeah, it turned out to be the back. So now we need two tubular pieces like these ones. And we're going to stick some feet underneath them. So like we did with the koala, we are, like we did with the emu, sorry. We're going to be using these handle plates and stick them underneath the tubular pieces, and we're gonna just stick them over here to be the legs of our koala. Now we're gonna be making the head, so we need to put this away, and we're gonna be using a 2x2 base plate like this one. We're gonna get two of these 1x1 Technic hole brick things again, and at the back, and we're going to be using these side attachment bricks with two sides in use. I'm going to put them on the front like here. Now we need two eyes, so we're going to get these printed eye pieces, and we're going to stick them onto the side. I'm going to give it a little bit, we're going to make it looking forwards, this koala. Okay, so next page, we need a nose, a nice little nose for this koala. So we're going to be using more single cheese slopes, but in black. We're going to stick them on the front, pointing like this. Now what else do we need? Okay, so now we need these Technic connectors, but the possibility to add a stud on top. We're going to be using these light grey ones. I don't know the names for these ones. That's why I'm struggling a little bit, but it doesn't matter too much. And we're going to be using these small slope pieces, just sticking them at the back on these stud connections like this. This is going to be the ears of our koala. What else do we need? Okay, so now we need another one of those small slope pieces. We're going to get a 1x1 base plate, stick that underneath over here. I'm going to stick it over here on top of the head to connect those pieces together. What else do we need? Okay, so now we need two more of these pieces. This is a quite bigger build than the emu. But we're gonna stick these on the front. By the way, these are cheese slopes. Yeah, these are cheese slopes. So we're gonna bring back a koala body, and we're gonna put the koala head on top like this, and it looks like we're gonna be making the arms. So we'll put that aside again. We're gonna need one of these bricks again, and we're gonna get a tubular piece, stick that on top. We're gonna get a black cheese slope, stick that on top as well. Which direction? Like this. And now we're gonna make another one nice and quick. So now we just need to attach them to the sides of the koala over here to give it its nice little arms. And there, we've done it. So there we have it. Our koala from our Polybag set is complete. Second of the 3 builds. And I gotta say that this koala is quite cute. Let me know if you think it's cute. Just look at it. I mean, its arms move up and down. We're gonna help climb a tree and stuff like that. And look at it, it's got such a stubby neck. Oh, this is really nice. But that's the end of our video, so I hope to show you more in the future. I hope that's inspired you. And until next time, happy building!